Hey there, Claire here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a chain charm bracelet. The materials I used are lobster clasps with extended chain, charms. I have 3 different types here, and stainless steel chain. First, I'm going to cut the length of chain I need for this bracelet. I'm making the bracelet to be my size, so it's going to be a 6 inches long chain. If you're new to this channel, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel yet. My lobster clasps and charms already come with jump rings, so I don't need to use other jump rings, but if yours does not have, make sure to get jump rings too. I open my jump rings with the twisting method and attach it to the end of my chain. I also want to appreciate everyone that subscribed to my channel in the past 1 month. Thank you for believing in my channel. If you have not watched our previous video, please take out a little of your time to check them out. I have about 10 charms to attach to my chain bracelet, so I'm going to arrange it first on the chain so I can see the design I'm going for. I'll be attaching it to the links in between the chain. If you don't have so much charms like me, you could leave 1 or 2 spaces. When attaching your charms, make sure you attach them to the same side of the chain. That's why I'm placing the chain down so I can see where I'm attaching the charms to, so I don't make a mistake. Also, make sure you close your jump rings very well so that they don't fall off from your chain. And there you have it, your beautiful chain charm is ready for you to rock it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I post lots of jewelry making tutorial videos like this one. Please like, comment and share this video. Bye.